Wow, it's been a while, 4 months since my last video. Hi, I'm Waterwolf. If you're new to this channel, please leave a like and subscribe if you're new to not miss out on more projects, tutorials and more. So since my last video when I made the decision to end the BD1 project, I kinda just disappeared for about 4 months. So I'm here to make a quick video to update everyone and let everyone know the plans for the future of the channel. So the first thing I would like to address is the direction of the BD1 project. First of all, the project is not going and I'm currently in the works of making a version 2. However, the problem with the first version is I rushed in too fast into making it, and I'm going to take my time with this one and get it done properly. So in regards to the videos, I'm going to release an update video as I hit the milestones and progress, and going to make other videos in between to keep the content going. So just to summarise that, BD1 version 2 isn't going anywhere, and I'll release videos on it to keep you guys updated and let you know how it's going. Next thing is that I would like to address is that I'm going to be taking on more projects and not just have the channel around the BD1 project. So there will be a Star Wars lightsaber video coming out soon in about a week, so subscribe so you don't miss that. So that just about wraps up everything that I wanted to address in this video. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.